Upwork proposals can cost anywhere from 4 to 20 connects per job, which means applying to just 10 jobs can burn through a big chunk of your budget fast. That's why buying connects without a plan gets expensive. By the end of this, you'll know what connects actually cost, how fast they disappear, and whether buying more makes sense. Here's the basic setup. Connects are Upwork's application currency. You use them to send proposals. No connects means no applications. That's the system. Upwork gives some free connects when you start, but serious job hunting usually means buying more. And this is where beginners make mistakes. They think more connects equals more work. It doesn't. More good proposals can lead to work. Bad proposals just waste connects faster. Here's the math. If one job costs 8 connects and you apply to 20 jobs, that's 160 connects gone. If your average job pays $100 and you land one client, that can still be profitable. But only if your conversion rate makes sense. That's the key. Think of connects like paid traffic. Every proposal is an ad. If your profile is weak, your ad doesn't convert. So before buying more, fix 3 things first. First, your profile. Clear title. Strong niche. Relevant samples. That improves trust. Second, your proposals. Don't send copy-paste intros. Mention the client's problem. Show one clear solution. Keep it short. Third, your targeting. Don't apply to jobs with 50+ proposals unless you have a strong profile. Focus on newer posts with fewer applicants. That gives you better odds. So are connects worth buying? Yes, if you treat them like an investment. No, if you're guessing. A freelancer who spends $15 on connects and lands a $300 job made the system work. A freelancer who spends the same amount sending random proposals usually gets nothing. Same cost. Different strategy. Here's the practical way to use them. Buy a small batch. Apply to 10 carefully chosen jobs. Track replies. If 10 proposals get 0 views or 0 replies, don't buy more yet. Fix the profile or proposal first. Quick recap. Connects are the price of getting attention. They are not the price of getting hired. Strong profiles and better proposals make them worth it. Your next step is simple. Review your last 5 proposals before buying your next batch. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Upwork breakdowns.